So welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to record deleted docs. Okay, so on Google Docs. So let's start with the video. So first, I'm going to open Google Docs here. So okay, let me open Google Docs. Yeah, so I have opened my Google Docs. So I show you how I can record deleted documents. You can see this is my file. I just delete it. If I remove it, so now it's moved to the trash. So it is removed now. So now if you want to record it, then you have to go in Google Drive and log in with the same email ID and go to the trash, and here you will see this deleted files. Just click on it, right click on it and click on restore, and now just come to Google Docs again, and here you can see this file has been restored. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.